Heyo, MACnStein here, coming at you from the Banshee Bros studio. Had a couple questions about my custom LED solution for the RaceGOW tracks, and just thought I'd make a quick little video here and answer Scott's questions. Here we have track 8 from RaceGOW Season 5, the longest track in history. Well, in RaceGOW history, the history of everything. But yeah, gonna show you my little setup here. I'm sure there's better ways to do it. This is just kind of how I did it with some leftover materials from a previous project. And yeah, let me get the lights on and I'll show you everything. Alrighty. So essentially what we have here is 20 pieces of 24-inch PVC. I bought mine at Lowe's. It is Charlotte pipe 3/4 inch PVC, and I believe this is schedule 21. I guess that's what that stands for. It seems like it's about half as thick as schedule 40, so I assume that's what it is. All the connectors that I have are 3D printed here in our studio. I did find, which one was it that I found? I found this model on I don't know, one website. I'll see if I can find some links for the comment section. But I found this one, and then I remixed this 5-way off it, and with the 5-way you can pretty much do any of the joints that you need anywhere. So really all you need is I believe it's 4 of these, and then I've done some extra 5-ways, some T's. Yeah, that's really it. Oh, excuse me, it's only 2 of the elbows that I see on mine, at least for this track. So yeah, all that's on the RaceGOW website. So you're not here about what connectors to use. You're here about the LEDs. So let me just rip this off here. The LEDs that I am using, come on now, work with me. Okay, here we go. We are using these rope style LEDs, and I bought them on Temu like a year or 2 ago, so I'm not even sure if you can still get these same ones, but I'm sure there's others like it. The LEDs are kind of in this little housing so that it diffuses the light before it gets to the PVC walls, and so that way it gives you a better consistent glow. I was worried that if you use just the ones that are, just on a strip, wide open, that they would be a little blotchy, showing through the PVC. I didn't want that. I wanted a nice even glow. So we had these left over, and when I first put them in here, I was just blown away. I knew it was going to work great. So they are 2 meters, so just a little more than 6 feet. So each one gets 3 sections of this PVC. So like, let me get this back in here so I can have an extra arm. So yeah, each rope that's just a little over 6 feet does 3 sections of PVC. So I have them all running off of this, and I'm sure there's a cleaner way to do it, like have them all in series off of just one, power input. But this is the way I'm doing it. This is what I had. This is 100 watt. Let's see if I can get the side of it here. Just a generic 100 watt USB charger station. It'll run about 9 of these, I think, 8 or 9 of them, which is enough for RaceGOW. And yeah, so basically I've got like one running here into the leg, and then it goes up, and it goes down, and I believe this one goes up, does this section. And so each track I've kind of just been like puzzling them together. Like I believe over here, it's like boom, 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 I think, and then this one comes in and goes this way, and so that gets this whole area. And then I did like this one, and then kind of, you know, that's the way I'm doing it. And I'll try to find a link for these rope lots if I can find them. I've got the packages around here somewhere. I'll see if I can put some info in the description. But they have some sound activated modes, you know. They work okay, but I prefer it just, you know, the way I had it set. Bunch of different like modes, color different modes, like different way it paints the lots and different patterns, and you know, etc., etc. And there's an app that connects to it. It's called Lotus Lamp X, and you know, you can change the speed and the sensitivity of the mic if you're using the mic, or you can even connect to your phone and have it synced up with music. So that's pretty cool. But yeah. Oh, and I believe this one's also motion sensor, which I don't use that, but there's some things you could play around with if you wanted to. Alright, y'all, I think that's about it for now. If I missed anything, just ask in the comments and I'll let you know. MACnStein out.